Hello everyone, my name is Kacha and I'm a furniture artist. This week we're going glam, but we're not breaking the bank. This project cost me around $80 all together. We're using the most affordable products on the market, but when we're done, no one will ever know. I promise you. They will ask you, where did you get that? I've got this big beautiful buffet and it's perfect for this tropical glam look I'm going for. For the top, I'm going to sand it with my SurPrep. My vacuum is a little loud, so I wear these headphones, but look how dust-free this sander is. I love it. Now we can remove the old hardware. Just by looking at this piece, I knew this is a bleeder, a heavy bleeder. So we are not taking chances on this one. I'm using a combination of roller and brush to apply my primer. I'm only priming because of the bleed through. Waverly bonds to everything and it does not need a primer to help it stick. Just wanted to mention that. I also filled in the holes I'm not going to use with wood filler. One of the things I always do after sanding is to wipe it down with mineral spirits. This is to clean the surface and open up the pores of the wood. This dries quickly, but you want to make sure it's completely dry before you go to another step. And one final step I did was to sand my primer with a very fine grit sandpaper. I'm going for a smooth finish and this is definitely going to help. And now we're ready to paint. I'm using Waverly White as my color. Waverly is very thick, so I always like to spray just a little bit of water into it. This not only helps it move around the piece, but it will also help us get a smoother finish. Waverly is surprisingly good, especially for the price, and it's available at Walmart. If you have been following me on my YouTube channel, you know how much I love Waverly Chalk Paint. Definitely one of my favorite paints out there. Once we're done painting the first coat, we can move to the top. I'm going with a paint wash for this. We're using the same color for this, and all you really need to do for this is grab some paint and wet your brush. It's basically a really watery paint and it acts like a stain. Then, just like a stain, you grab a towel and wipe it all off as soon as you're done. You can keep doing this for more color, and that's what I wanted, more color. For this wash, I used a little more paint and less water to get even more color. You can see as I wipe it away, there is much more color left behind this time. There were a few spots that needed a second coat for solid coverage. To protect our top and paint, I'm using Waverly Matte Finish Varnish. What I like to do is apply it with a sponge brush and work in long straight strokes. Also, you don't want to overwork it, which means basically don't go over it. Once it's completely dry, you can apply second coat, or third if you prefer. I like to do at least 3 coats on the top. Next, I decided in last minute I wanted to do some gold leafing. Because why not? My original plan was to use gold metallic paint, but I realized this piece needs a very strong gold, like a gold leaf. I got this cheap gold leaf from Amazon and I'm using mud Podge as my glue. Then I like to use a brush to wipe off all the extra gold leaf. It's pretty simple to do and I love the look of this. I repeated this wherever I wanted gold leaf. It was looking perfect. Next, for some real fun tropical vibe, I grabbed some peel and stick wallpaper from Walmart. And I am obsessed with this wallpaper. It's so beautiful. Something I didn't think about until we got to this point was how to make the shape I needed. We had to make these templates to be able to cut the correct shapes. This actually took a while and Carlos ended up helping me to speed things up. Once we had those done, it was actually very easy to get these on. Just peel and stick like it says. I did use a stick to get all of the air bubbles out, but overall this was very easy and the results were just amazing. Just look at this buffet now. All what was left to do was added my new hardware, which I also got cheap on Amazon. And it was done. What a beautiful, gorgeous, and bright and fun piece this is. I love tropical vibes, I love gold leaf, and I love Waverly. Even though this was a very large piece and I worked for days, I had so much fun creating this piece. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time with a new project and more ideas. Bye guys! Bye!